Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create an incredible virtual business card using a QR code. This method will make sharing your contact details simpler than ever before. Imagine this, you meet someone, and instead of handing them a paper card that could get lost, you simply have them scan your QR code, and bam! All your contact details are instantly saved into their phone. Whether it's your name, email, website, phone number, or your profession, all your information can be added and stored via this single, convenient QR code. So if you're ready to jump into the future of networking and learn how to make your own virtual business card, stay tuned. First, let's talk about why virtual business cards are a game changer. Not only are they eco-friendly, saving you from wasting paper, but they also streamline the whole process of exchanging details. No more fumbling for cards or trying to recall where you put someone's business card. Plus, if any of your information changes, like your phone number or website, you don't need to print new cards. Just update your virtual card, and you're good to go. The first step in creating your digital business card is to head over to Canva. Now, here's the best part, you don't even need a paid account. The free version of Canva is all you'll need to make an impressive business card. Once you've landed on the Canva is widely known for its versatility, from social media posts to presentations and, of course, business cards. You can see here how many templates they offer, but for our purposes today, let's narrow it down to business cards. In the search bar, type business card and hit enter. But since we're making a digital card, now there are so many designs to choose from. Now check your filters. Here's a pro tip, you can also filter the search results to show only the free templates. That way, you don't accidentally pick one with paid elements unless you want to. Alright, once you find a design you like, click on it, and it will open in the Canva editor. This is where the magic happens. The best part about Canva is how customizable everything is. If there's an element you don't like, whether it's a logo, image, or text, you can easily delete or change it. Let me show you how. For instance, if I don't like the logo on this template, I can just click and hit delete. Easy. Now, let's say I want to upload my own photo or logo. You can do that by going to Upload. Click Upload Media, and select your image. Once uploaded, just drag and drop it where you want it to go on the card. Next up, let's talk about personalizing the colors. If you don't like the color scheme of the template, don't worry. Canva makes it super easy to change. Just click on any element. You'll see a color box. Click that, and you can choose any color you like. Let's say I want to change this background. Done. Now it better fits my brand. The same goes for text. Just click on any text box and start typing to replace it with your own information. For example, I'll type in Qubabe Shah for the name, and a website guide as my title. You can adjust the font size, style, and color, too. It's all about making it your own. Other all text remove. Now delete the option. Now here's the exciting part, we're going to add a QR code that links directly to your contact details. This is what will make your business card truly virtual. To create the QR code, open your Chrome browser and go to QR Code Monkey. It's a free and easy tool for generating customized QR codes. Once you're on the site, select the vCard option, which is specifically designed for digital business cards. Now, you'll want to enter your details: first name, last name, company or title, email, phone number, website, and any other information you think is relevant. One really cool feature of QR Code Monkey is that you can actually customize the appearance of your QR code. For instance, if you want to use your brand colors, you can change the color of the QR code itself. I'm going to change shade that matches my brand, but you can choose whatever color fits your style. If you prefer the classic black and white look, that's totally fine too. You can even add a logo or image to the middle of the QR code. For example, if you want to add your company's logo, just upload it, and it will appear in the center of the code. This gives your card a really professional touch. Once you're happy with the design, click Create QR Code and then download the file as a PNG. Now that we have our custom QR code, head back to Canva and upload it just like you would with any other image. Go to Uploads, click Upload Media, and select the QR code file you just downloaded. Once it's uploaded, simply drag and drop it onto your business card design. Make sure to resize it to a smaller size since QR codes don't need to be huge. They can easily be scanned even when they're relatively small. Position it wherever you want on the card. I like to place mine in the bottom corner, but it's entirely up to you. If you plan on printing your business card in the future, you might want to create a backside for it. Canva makes it easy to add a second page. Just scroll to the right. Add a new page. And you can either start from scratch or copy the design from the front side to the back. However, since we're focusing on the digital version, we don't necessarily need a backside. But it's a good option if you're planning on using this design for both virtual and printed versions. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download and share it. Click the Share button at the top right of Canva and select Download. You'll have the option to choose between PNG or JPEG. PNG is great for online sharing, while JPEG works well if you're sending the image via email. Just download. And now let's see. Congratulations! You've just created a sleek, professional virtual business card complete with a scannable QR code. Now, whenever you meet someone, whether it's in person or online, you can share your contact details effortlessly. Just imagine how impressed people will be when they realize they can instantly save your information to their phones by simply scanning a QR code. Now, let's talk about how to share your new digital business card. There are a few simple ways you can do this. First, if you're meeting someone in person, you can just pull up your business card on your phone and have them scan the QR code directly. But what if you're networking online, or you want to send it in an email or on social media? For that, you can share the image file we just created. You can add it as an email signature, include it in your LinkedIn profile, or even post it in your Instagram bio. If you're in a Zoom meeting, simply drop your virtual business card in the chat, and attendees can download and scan it. The possibilities are endless. You no longer have to worry about having enough paper cards with you. Your digital card is always in your pocket, ready to share. One of the best features of a virtual business card is how easy it is to keep updated. Did you change your phone number, get a new job title, or start a new business? No need to reprint hundreds of cards. All you have to do is head back into Canva, make a few quick edits, and download the new version. Share the updated QR code, and everyone who scans it will have the latest version of your contact details. This flexibility is a huge advantage in the fast-paced, ever-changing professional world we live in today. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and that you're now feeling confident about creating and using your very own virtual business card. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.